In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the window crank handle on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the door. Let's get started. We're going to use a special tool to get up behind our door handle and pop our clip out. On the back of our handle is going to be this little clip. We have to push this up and out. If you don't have one of these, you could use a rag and get up behind. Be sure that you slide your rag or tool in front of this clear washer. Remove the clear washer. Make sure your clear washer is in place. Push the handle straight on. The clip will open up and grab onto the stock. Check the operation of the window.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.